In this tutorial, we're going to create a mind map from a Word document using MindGenius. Official documents such as terms and conditions, contracts, agreements, policies and procedures, etc. can be lengthy and very detailed. This means it can take a while to become familiar with the document. A mind map view of these documents will give you an overview of the structure and make it easier to navigate to the sections you want to focus on. A mind map view can also be useful when explaining a document that you've created to others. To start off, we need to have the document in Microsoft Word. If the document is in PDF format, then you should be able to open it directly into Word. If the document is a page on a website, terms and conditions for example, then you should be able to copy the text and paste it into Word. If you have a printed document, then try scanning it and saving it as a PDF. If you open the PDF in Word, it should be editable. For this tutorial, we're going to use a sample terms and conditions document. Here's the document already in Word. As you can see, it's divided into sections. Each has a heading which is in bold and a different font size. This distinguishes it from the rest of the text. Some of the sections have subsections, and as we see, these subsections have got headings again in a different font size, and in this case they're italicized as well as being bold. We need to convert these headings and subheadings into Word heading styles. They will become the branches of the mind map, and the text in each section will become a branch note. Incidentally, the actual content of this document, as you may have noticed, is placeholder text. This is so we're not distracted by meaningful content. So let's convert all the headings now. Now it would be easy enough just to go through each one and change it, like this one is the first heading, and we could change it to heading 1. However, there's a quicker way to do it. If we select the second heading and then do this, select text with similar formatting, and you'll see that all the rest of the headings have been selected. So all we need to do is click on heading 1 and they've all been changed. So now we'll do the same with the subheadings. We'll just select one of them, select text with similar formatting, and you can see all the subheadings have been selected. So these are heading 2. There we are. Now we need to check that it's all been done properly, and the way to do this is to go to the View tab and then go to Outline mode. And as we can see, it's been indented properly. So if we click on this, this is level 1, this is body text, and so on. These are all the same, and down here, this is the subheading at level 2. There's no headings that are out of place, so it looks as though it's all been done properly. So we go back here, and we must remember to save the document. It's now ready to be imported into MindGenius. We're now in MindGenius, so all we have to do is go to the File menu, and we see there is an option to import, and at the top, Microsoft Word. We locate the file that we just created. Here it is here. We'll open that. Now, MindGenius is asking us to choose between retaining the document style and using the MindGenius template. We'll select the MindGenius template. And now we wait for MindGenius to do its work. And there we are. We have our mind map of our terms and conditions document. As you can see, all the headers are there in the overview, and we've some of the sections have got subsections. Here they are here, and this indicates that there's notes, which is the actual content of each section. So doing it this, you can select the sections that you particularly want to look into. I hope you've found this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.